Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to your number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 3 top altcoins to buy in the month of October. So here, if we take a look in the past 24 hours, the market is pretty green. We're up almost 1% at around 0.77%. Our top gainers in the past 24 hours are going to be XYO, which is up about 27% or so, trading at around 3 cents. Our highest volume is going to be like usual Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is up about 0.38%, volume at 32 billion right there, trading around this 55,000 area. We have Ethereum at 3,600 area, pretty much flat in the past 24 hours, and a 14.2 billion here with the volume. Cardano's up about 0.5%, Binance Coin flat, Ripple's up about 3.8%, Polkadot's up 3%. Doge and all these other altcoins are either down or up 1% or so, with some obviously outliers here with, Stellar Lumen's up about 7%, VECHAIN up 7%, Tron 6%, Ethereum Classic 4.5%. So obviously we have, some outliers there, which is normal. And something we talked about since these large cap coins, exploded pretty much in the past week or so. Now it's going to be time for these mid cap and these low cap coins to start to boom. So we're going to be seeing some of these random coins just start to, explode on higher because they've been lagging behind, and they're going to get that momentum with volume to push on higher. And that's what we're going to be waiting for. So guys, if you enjoy this type of content, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, leave a comment below letting me know which cryptocurrency you're buying in the month of October. Now let's get into it. So the first altcoin on this list is going to be Chainlink, also known as Link. And I believe this coin was actually just added on Webull. Webull just added like 3 or 4 coins to its trading platform. So this one right here is up about 1.7%, trading around $27.25. Here in the past week, we're up about 3.5%, but we've been pretty much trading sideways. In the past month, same situation, pretty much trading around the same range. And then in the past year, we're up over 162%, with this coin, being at around $10 last October, hitting highs here in May at around $53, pulling back down in July to under about $13 or so. And then we saw it explode all the way to 34, so over 150% gains from the low to the top here with some consolidation right now. We're going to be waiting for an explosive momentum on up with some volume to pick up. Currently, the market cap is at 12.5 billion, so there's plenty of room for this to continue to move on higher. Volume is around the same level as usual, 866.6 million right there. We have a 68 typical hold time days. It is ranked the number 11 coin, 52% buy, 48% sell, with the all-time high at almost $53. Chainlink is obviously an Ethereum token that powers the Chainlink decentralized Oracle network. This network allows smart contracts on Ethereum to securely connect to their external data sources, APIs, and payment systems. Now, how does all of this work? Well, Chainlink was designed to incentivize a network of computers to provide accurate data to Chainlink's Oracle. There are many Oracle operating today, including one that provides price data across the wide range variety of assets, weather data, and location data. Now, Link is the token used to pay for services on the network and to incentivize nodes to perform verifiably honest work and provide accurate data. In order to become a node and start, providing data to Chainlink oracles, holders must stake Link tokens into a smart contract to act as an incentive against misbehaving or submitting false data to the network. So that is something you have to, keep in mind as well. There's a lot of people that do staking and different types of things for passive income with cryptocurrencies. If they're planning on holding these, coins for, 5, 10, 15, 20 years, you might as well do some staking because you're already, a long-term holder, I guess you could say. So you're willing to hold it no matter what happens. And staking could be something that you could look into and see if it fits for your criteria and if it's something that you're interested in, obviously, as that could give you some more passive income as the coin continues to grow itself. So that's definitely another thing to watch. Then we have our second altcoin is going to be NEO. So NEO right here, one of the lower market cap coins on this list. It's up about 4.5% here in the past 24 hours, trading at around this $48 level. In the past week, we're up about 15%. In the past month, we're trading flat. And then on the 1 year chart, 179% higher. Last year, this coin was trading at 17 cents. Here in May, we saw it hit over $140, pulled back down all the way to lows of $25. And then now we obviously went from 25 to 65, over 100% upside from the low to the top. But we're still very far away from that $140 level. We have about, $90 to go or so, so over 150% upside from here. Current market cap only at around 3.4 billion. Volume is actually up 47% higher than usual, almost at 400 million right there. All-time high is 196 actually on the chart right there. So NEO is a cryptocurrency and smart contract platform that supports applications written in a variety of programming languages. Fees for deploying and running smart contracts are paid with gas, which is a separate token that you guys should be familiar with because a lot of coins use these gas fees. That is something that you pay as you trade these cryptocurrencies. So NEO is definitely one of these coins with a lower market cap. I mean, just to get back up to the 140 range, it would be trading at around a 10 billion market cap or so, and that is definitely something that is reasonable and possible in the future. You never know what's going to happen in 5, 10, 15, or 20 years, but this level could definitely be reachable in the future as long as cryptocurrency continues to grow and NEO continues to do good things. This coin could definitely follow the same pattern. So NEO is going to be our second altcoin on this list. And then last but not least, the number 3 altcoin is going to be Ripple, XRP. This one is up about 3.8% here, trading at $1.11. In the past week, this one is up about 6.7%. In the past month, 1%. And then on the 1-year chart, 339%. So this coin here was trading at 26 cents last October. We hit highs here in April at 196, pulled back down to lows of about 50 cents or so, and then obviously we saw it ramp on up to 140, so over about 150% upside right there from the low to the top. Now we're consolidating, waiting for that next momentum up to see if we can come back up to that $2 range level and break through the all-time highs eventually. Market cap is actually pretty high on this coin, 52.1 billion market cap. It is one of the higher altcoin market caps on here. Volume 2.7 billion. Typical hold time is 31 days. All-time high is at 384. So from the level that we're at right now, that's over a 200% upside just to get back to the all-time highs on this coin. So there's plenty of room for improvement. So right here, if we take a look, XRP is a cryptocurrency used by the Ripple payment network, built for the enterprise use. XRP aims to be a fast, cost-efficient cryptocurrency for cross-border payments. What is XRP? Well, cryptocurrency that used by the XRP ledger, which supports international currency exchange and remittance. XRP can function as a bridge currency in transactions involving different currencies such as the US dollar, Japanese yen, euros, francs, and others in use on the XRP network. So obviously, Ripple used to be one of those coins that was actually very, very popular about 3 or 5 years ago. This coin was one of the most popular coins. It was in the top list. That's why it's still at such a large market cap, because it has potential to continue to go up. We just had some legal issues that kind of held it down in the recent times, but this coin is definitely one to be watching for the future because it could continue to go higher. With the market cap being at 52 billion right now, it is actually a pretty high, altcoin right there on this list. So it is in the top 10 or so right now, and people are watching this one to see when will that breakout happen. It's going to happen eventually, and that's something that we're looking forward to, obviously, in the cryptocurrency. So that's obviously those 3 of the altcoins that we're watching right now. But we have other, gems, I guess you could say, in the crypto space that we could be watching to see how they're going to perform. Obviously, everybody's watching Shiba Inu, which we made a video about. It hit highs in the 3s, so this first number right here was about 3, I believe it was like 3600 or so. So it made a massive move on higher and then pulled back down. We're also obviously watching Solana at that 160 level, down about 2% right now. So there's a lot of these altcoins. Doge is up about 0.9% here. If we take a look actually at Doge, it followed the same pattern as Shiba, so 32.7 billion market cap here. In the past week, you can see it started to roar on higher from the low 20s all the way to highs of about 26, 27, and now we're consolidating sideways. But on the 1-year chart, obviously Doge is still destroying everything else. So Doge doing pretty good. Bitcoin, it's pretty much flat here in the past 24 hours, up about 0.5%, but still trading around this 55,000 level. We've seen it go up a little bit, down a little bit. In the past week, we're up about 14% from lows down here of about 46,000 or so, and we continue to roar on higher. Broke through these resistance levels. The resistance was at around 41.5, 52,000 area right here, and we broke through that 52,000 area all the way up to 55,000 and continue to push on higher. In the past week or past month, we're up 19.5% from lows down here of about 40,000, 39,000 actually. So it's up about $16,000 just here in the past 2 weeks or so, making a huge move. In the past year, we're up almost 400%, with the all-time high obviously being at the 64,000, almost 65,000 level. So we're only about $10,000 away from that all-time high, which could happen at any moment right now. So we're definitely watching that to see how that's going to perform. We destroyed that 1 trillion market cap, obviously 32% of the crypto space. 60% buy, 40% sell right now, and 85 typical hold time days. Ethereum, pretty much same situation. We're flat here in the past 24 hours, trading around 3,600 area. In the past week, we're up 9%. In the past month, 3%. And then on the 1 year chart, we're up 884%, making massive moves here. 4,400 was the all-time high, pulled back down to 1,700, hit highs of 4,000 again, pulled back down, and now we're trying to break, through that area once again. So that 4,000 area is going to be a huge resistance in the future. 425.9 billion market cap, which is about 13% of the crypto market space right now. Typical hold time is 82 days. Trading activity at 60% buy, 40% sell. It is obviously ranked the number 2 coin, but Ethereum is obviously following pretty much Bitcoin. Those two coins are head to head right now, seeing what's going to happen over the weekend. Hopefully we're going to see some new highs here for the week or the month. So we're going to be watching the crypto space here Saturday and Sunday very, very closely, because a lot of our volume comes in over the weekend, obviously, and this is when a lot of these big moves get made. It's Saturday and Sunday, so we're definitely going to be following it over the weekend to see how the crypto space is going to perform, and if we can get those all-time highs once again in the near future. You guys let me know in the comments below, what do you think is going to happen over the weekend. Smash that like button for me if you enjoy this type of content. Let's aim for 100 plus likes. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification to get notified every time I make a new video. As always, I'm not a financial advisor, so this is all for entertainment purposes only. Before investing, speak to your financial advisor, do your own due diligence, and understand the high risk, high reward type situation. I hope you guys enjoyed, and hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.